Hi, my name is Chava, Chef Chava. So we're gonna do the steak sandwich today. We're gonna start cutting the steak right now for 10 ounces steak. And so we have to chop the knife first. We cut in the edge first, something we're not gonna use it. We cut in the extra fat from the steak. So we have the steak ready. We're gonna season it with the Montreal seasoning. From here, we're gonna take it to the kitchen to cook it and have it ready to start doing the steak sandwich. We are here in the kitchen now. We're gonna start grill it for about 10 minutes, depends how they like the meat, medium rare, medium, or rare. So we're gonna leave it there for a couple minutes, and then we're gonna start toasting the ciabatta bread. This is a real good bread for a sandwich. Personal, I like it so much, but so we cut it half. So here we're gonna go in the oven for about 3 or 4 minutes until they get golden brown. The bread is already toasted, golden. So from here, we're gonna leave it here for a moment. We're gonna start cutting the onion. Saute the onions with oil and mushrooms. Garlic, salt, pepper. Right now the steak is ready, medium rare. So we're gonna cut it. Slices. We're gonna add A1 aioli at the bread. Spread it. We're cooking the vegetables. We're gonna cook the veggies until they get golden brown. They're ready, the vegetables are ready. So we're gonna add a little bit of wine and some of the A1 aioli. Mix it up. Leave it there. Put the steak on the bread. Nice and ready. We're gonna add the vegetables on top of it. And cover it. And we cut it in half. We're gonna use a trace with the Mama's logo paper and open it. We're gonna serve the steak sandwich with the garlic fries. So we added Parmesan, garlic, parsley. We mix it and boom, and ready.